Hey guys, today we're doing a lip swatch video. I feel like I should put my hair up for this because it's a gloss, so I've lost my hairband. I honestly don't know where it is. I just don't know how I've lost it because it's like a scrunchie, so it's big, you know? But it's not here. What the hell? I'm very confused. Normally it's like on my wrist, but it's not. It can't be anywhere apart from in this room. I'm just so like, I don't know if it's just like right in front of me and I just can't see it. I took it out and I had it on my wrist. I just don't know where the hell it's gone. Right, I'm gonna have to use another one. Here's one. I just want to find one. Like, where could it have gone, honestly? I don't know, I'll probably find it somewhere random later. Okay, my hair looks really ugly, just excuse that because it's only going to be for this lip swatch video. Anyway, today we are going to be swatching the Colourpop Lux Glosses. I'm so excited. I don't love the formula, but I'll put up with it, you know. So let's go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 here to swatch. So we're just going to get straight into it. Oh my god, they're all falling. This is the little vault thing that you can buy. So yeah, anyway, the first one I have here is called Just Cuddle, and it's like this really pretty like nude shade. On my lips at the moment I have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss lip butter, and I also put on a little bit of the Colourpop roller gloss, but I think that's come off. So yeah, anyway, this shade is called Just Cuddle. Okay, so this is the first shade here called Just Cuddle. It's like a very light kind of orangey nude. Just looks pretty. I feel like it'll look really nice over like a lipstick or something. But yeah, that one is called Just Cuddle. I'm just so confused about my scrunchie. Like, I just don't know where it could be. I just don't know why I would have, like, I thought that I would have taken it out to do my hair, but then it should be over where I do my hair, but it's not, so I'm like, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm gonna have a look at the thumbnails I took because I should be seeing if I could wear it or not, if I was wearing it in the, oh, I can't see. Anyway, taking this off. I like doing gloss lip swatch videos because they're so easy to get off. Alright, the next shade I have here is called Ticklish. It kind of looks quite similar to the last one, but this one has little like pink and blue and silver like shimmers through it. Looks really pretty. I think I like this one more than the last one. Makes my lips look like a little bit healthier because I'm like a little bit shinier because of the little glitters. So yeah, once again, this is called Ticklish. I do really like this. I think that's really pretty. I'll probably put this one back on after this video because I feel like my lips look really plump. Okay. Next we have Overnight. This one looks a little bit darker than the first one we tried on. It's like a bit more kind of peachy, I guess. Oh wow, this one's very pigmented. Yes, this one is quite a bit darker than that first one we tried. You can see it has like a fair bit of pigment to it. So once again, this is called Overnight. It's really nice, I do like that. Next we have Blissful, which is like a pink one. It has little gold shimmers through it. I think I've worn this one like actually out, you know. I do really like this. It's very, very pretty. So once again, Blissful. Yeah, this one's probably a favorite as well. I seem to quite like the ones with the shimmers in them, rather than just like the straight glosses. Next we have Tied Up. I think I've worn this one out as well. This one's a bit darker, like a more mauvey colour, and this one has like silver shimmers through it. I love this. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, Tied Up. I feel like I did a pretty bad job of applying this one, but it's so pretty. I really like it. Okay, I'm really excited for the next one because it's like a bronzy kind of colour. Okay, next we have Come Through, and this one honestly looks so stunning. It's like a beautiful like brown with like silver and like bronze reflect. It's so stunning. I like that a lot. I really like this one. I feel like this is the perfect like everyday gloss. So once again, this has Come Through. So beautiful. Next is Dream Queen. It's like a just nude kind of colour. Very pigmented. That's how Dream Queen looks. I really do like this as well. I feel like they just add like such a nice colour. And they're just so shiny. So pretty. Then we have one left, and the next one is the darkest of the collection, I guess. Okay. Last we have Slow Motion. Looks like this. I have the worst aftertaste from the micellar water. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a really nice brown. Okay, this is Drama Queen. Wait, Slow Motion, sorry. So pretty. I do really like this. Okay, so that is swatches of all of the Colourpop, well, in this vault anyway, Colourpop Lux Lip Glosses. I'm gonna be honest, these are very sticky and they do go a bit weird sometimes. If you put a lipstick under first, like they do kind of ball up a bit on the like side of your mouth. But apart from that, I do really like them. Yeah, they're definitely not the most comfortable glosses that I've tried, but they are super pigmented and they are really pretty, so it's all about whether or not you're willing to make that sacrifice. And they're so cheap, and yeah, so I do find that it is worth it for me, but everyone's different obviously. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!